This may be the most interesting compact camera rivalry of 2026. DJI has started teasing the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and almost immediately Insta360 answered with real creator footage of the Insta360 Luna Ultra. That timing alone makes this feel like a direct showdown. The key difference is not just image quality. It is design philosophy. DJI appears to be refining the familiar pocket formula: compact body, integrated gimbal, improved dual-lens system. Insta360 is trying something more radical. The Luna Ultra introduces a detachable screen that doubles as a remote control, and that may be its most underestimated feature. That changes how creators work. Mount the camera somewhere hard to reach, a car, a bike, a wall, or across a room, and control framing remotely. Adjust the gimbal, start recording, and monitor the shot without touching the body. For solo creators, that opens workflows that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro does not currently match. The lens system is another major battleground. The Insta360 Luna Ultra is rumored to combine a 1-inch main sensor with a secondary telephoto module, co-engineered with Leica. Depending on which leaks prove accurate, the telephoto range may reach significantly beyond the Pocket series, giving stronger optical flexibility for portraits, street content, and tighter framing. That matters because telephoto in a pocket camera used to be an afterthought. Now it is becoming one of the most important differentiators. Better subject separation, cleaner compression, and more cinematic framing all come from stronger focal reach. It turns a compact travel camera into something closer to a true creative tool. Slow motion may also become a major advantage. The Luna Ultra is rumored to support higher frame rates than the Pocket 4 Pro, potentially doubling the available 4K slow motion ceiling. If those numbers hold in final hardware, it becomes very attractive for action creators and cinematic shooting. But specifications alone do not tell the full story. The footage shown so far is what makes the Luna Ultra especially interesting. Real hands-on clips reveal natural-looking color, good telephoto separation, and a less processed look than many smartphone cameras. That is important because creators are not only buying features. They are buying the character of the footage. There are still unknowns. Low-light performance remains the biggest one. A 1-inch sensor and fast aperture suggest strong results, but until independent reviewers test it in difficult conditions, that remains theory. Stabilization at maximum zoom is another area that needs real-world verification. The market timing may help Insta360 the most. In some regions, especially the United States, DJI availability has become more complicated for certain new products. That creates a window. If the Insta360 Luna Ultra launches broadly while the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro remains limited, availability alone may drive early adoption. That gives Insta360 something unusual, a chance to lead before DJI fully arrives. Right now, the comparison is surprisingly close. DJI still has the advantage of a mature pocket ecosystem, trusted image processing, and refined accessories. Insta360 may have the edge in flexibility, detachable control, and potentially more aggressive specifications. Neither clearly wins yet. That is what makes this launch cycle exciting. For the first time in a while, compact gimbal cameras are not evolving quietly. They are becoming one of the most competitive categories in creator tech, and both DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and Insta360 Luna Ultra may redefine what people expect from something small enough to fit in a pocket.